looking at oppression, what is the structure that typically shows up? Well, there's a control of some sort of resource, access to something. Again, banking services, manufacturing. And that comes from information control, always. What allows you access to resources? The understanding of how that works. And this goes to a further layer. That information is only a commodity if it's shrouded somehow, when you force it to become a commodity. And the only way that that's possible is when the understanding of that conceptual idea has been buried. And this happens all the time. And it's so dangerous, especially with things which are technical in nature, which are the workarounds that we tend to develop. So if we build some wonderful workaround, but it has a technical aspect that's not accessible to people, we're going to end up in what I call the deskilling cycle. So there's a barrier to access. Somehow, there's something that people want or need, and they don't have free access, or the access is not as free as they would like or we would like. And so typically, as sort of techno enthusiasts, we find some clever workaround. And typically it's a technological thing, and we manage to bridge the gap. And we feel really great about that. But because it's technical, for the people who are not technical, there needs to be something to allow them to utilize that. And so it becomes institutionalized after it becomes popular. Bitcoin's a great example, 3D printing's a great example, and it goes on.